Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Luno to Bybit in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just move your crypto around, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll make sure we're covering the latest updates for a smooth transfer. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Luno and Bybit, and that you have some XRP in your Luno wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. XRP typically runs on the XRP ledger, so keep that in mind to avoid any hiccups. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Luno account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select your XRP wallet. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Before you proceed, note any withdrawal fees. Luno might charge a small amount, so factor that into your transfer. Step 2. You'll need your Bybit wallet address. Jump over to your Bybit account, go to the Assets or Deposit page, and select XRP. Copy the deposit address carefully. Double-check it because one wrong character could send your XRP into the void. Back in Luno, paste that address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and review all the details. Step 3. Hit that Confirm button. You'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security, always a good idea in the crypto space. Once submitted, Luno will process the withdrawal, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. After that, hop back to Bybit and check your assets page. Your XRP should show up soon. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just give it some time and keep an eye on your transaction history. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to ensure everything works. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant against scams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.